I'm going to show you how to create a detailed bottoms-up headcount forecast using just an employee roster and the Analyst Intelligence platform. So step number one is to create your headcount forecasting rules. Very straightforward to create a forecasting rule. It's all in plain English. In this case, I'm forecasting for salary, which is simply the salary amount divided by 12 and put that amount in every month between the starting and the ending date. So very straightforward to create calculations. If you want to add new employee types, it's as simple as hitting the duplicate button and then changing the text here, and then you're done. Now, once you have your employee type set up, you can either generate your own template from within the platform, or if you have one, you can simply load that data and the system will pick it up automatically. And so you can see here that I've got an HR roster with all of my employees and their designated employee type. Now, I could actually add this information by just reloading the table from a CSV. This is that easy to get started. Or you can connect to different data sets, or you can use automations to consolidate different data sets, such as a current headcount and an open headcount roster from an ATS or applicant tracking system directly into a single consolidated HR roster to generate your forecast. Once you have your headcount loaded, then you just click the Generate Forecast button. And once you generate your forecast, that is automatically picked up by any of your visualization tools. It becomes a table in the system, so you can export it. You can go into your sheets, your headcount models, your financial models, your business unit reports, and just simply hit refresh, and it'll automatically refresh with the data that you have from your brand new forecast. So it's as easy as that to get started with headcount forecasting using the Analyst Intelligence platform.